DS-403 fully automatic pneumatic heel nailing machine. This machine is applicable for the heel nailing of all kinds of man and lady shoes. The pneumatic hydraulic cylinder ensures steady pressure and secure pressing. There are manual, semi-automatic, and fully automatic heel nailing modes available for option. The nailing squares and pour positions can be set. Various kinds of nail anvils can be selected. It has simple design with easy adjustment and replacement. It is equipped with several heel pressing fixtures to mount different kinds of heels of any height. There are fixed or swing heel pressing fixtures available for attaching heels to shoes and high boots. The nail box has 11 paths available for the nails or screws of the length between 10 to 25 millimeters. It is able to automatically complete nail categorizing, positioning, and fitting accurately. The safety protection device designed on the nail fitting plate ensures safety and reliability. There are nail anvils of different specifications for easy change. The unique diagonal nailing design is able to avoid penetrating but secure the heel with nails.